Look who's here. You got a boogie?
No, just runny nose.
What is this?
Sportster.
Is it gonna be Sportster summer?
Sportster all year long, baby.
So, welcome back to 947 Works. Blue got a new Sportster, and you probably recognize it because it's Matt's old Sportster. But, we're gonna do a little facelift your Sportster. Hey! So, let's pull it in.
So, we should explain. I changed the grips right here.
Yeah, you did.
So that is small.
You said it has a death wobble.
It has a little bit of a wobble. But I haven't changed anything else. I cleaned it.
Sick.
I thought this was not chrome.
Really? That's how bad it was?
It was gross. Like,
damn.
I touched it, and there was like a thick line.
Are you changing bars?
So this is gonna have to be a two-parter because I ordered bars and risers, but they won't be here till
Right.
another tank.
Oh, okay.
So today we'll do front end, headlight, that kind of tires,
Yeah.
and then next week for part 2 or day 2, I will be
Yeah.
will be
Gas tank bars. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is a little before 39 front end with the Snowflake 21.
the baddest front wheel on the planet. That's 101, baby.
Some drag bars. The worst tire known to man. Sweet. Let's roll it in. That there was a wobble. Here's the culprit here. Yeah. Nice.
Well, we gotta cut it.
Cut one of them off. Oh shit! Mother shit!
Cut what? This?
Which one are we cutting?
That looks easier.
That's what I was hoping you could say.
You're going good.
Also, should we throw some lacquer on all that crust? Or do you like the crust?
I don't like the crust. We should put some more
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Blends right in. Like nothing even happened. Oh yeah, baby. How does that make you feel?
Tighten the loins.
Tighten the loins. First look, how do you feel?
I don't know. That's rather nice, though.
You're getting closer to being able to lay back while you ride. Yep, just like that. That's the ticket, boy.
You can't see where I'm going, but...
Not a problem.
Bish posh. Bish posh.
No, it looks great.
Yeah, wheelie easy, that's for sure.
Definitely looks better than it did.
I kind of wish it was.
No
like,
offense, Matt.
He didn't do much. It would look better 4 inches shorter, in my opinion.
You think so?
I think so. To be honest, I kind of hate how long it is.
What about your long bike fever, my guy?
I want it to be long this way, not this way. This is a tall bike.
Sorry? You want it to be flat long, not tall long.
Yes. I want it to be
Buenas.
in an obtuse triangle, not an acute triangle.
Yeah. You want it to be obtuse, not acute. Yep.
It's fine.
It's fine. It looks good. Should we take those spacers out and see how it looks?
Yeah.
All right.
That's a lot better, huh?
Yeah, that's
Damn. That's crazy.
It's much better.
I
Oh,
like-
yeah.
I kind of liked it tall.
I like it shorter because it's going to be like a lot more entertaining to ride. If that makes
It'll be
sense.
way more comfortable and easy.
It being tall is sick until you're like splitting lanes on Sunset and you get in one of those humps and you're all, oh no.
Yeah.
I like this much better.
So now I'm wondering if it's going to actually work.
So you'll get a lot more travel out of it now because it has so much space. But what it'll do is instead of working like it's supposed to, it'll go clunk because there's no spring for that.
Right, yeah.
But you'll bounce. Like I've had it like this before. We did one that was 6 over and we took 2 inches out like this, and it's crazy because it bounces like a springer. It's kind of sick. Those bars suck.
They're terrible.
They're really fun when you're riding it. They're awful to look at, or at low speeds.
Which bars are you running? Those ones? On the ironhead?
I bought bars. Those same bars.
Okay, tell us update.
Update. We shortened it a lot, like 2.5 inches.
I think we showed that maybe.
Maybe.
Put a new tire on. Fresh tread, brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a freshie on there. We spaced the wheel.
The wheel is spaced. About to put an axle in, or axle nut. It's not all the way.
Oh, I was like, that doesn't look right. I'm doing the bar dance, trying to figure it out.
This is second,
Third.
set of bars.
I'm not.
I made these like risers not too long ago, 6-inch, and he's just gonna try some stuff out to see what looks best. Are you thinking those bars that you had on there, the like MX style?
Yeah, these bad boys. I might cut these up. I might just run drag bars and shut up.
I just feel like for the stance that this bike is, you're gonna be like leaned forward quite a bit with drag bars. We can do the bar dance some more.
Yeah, we'll
because
do
I have a
that.
bunch of already cut bars
Yeah.
that we can kind of swap around and see what looks best.
The thing is it's not a big twin. It's a Sportster, so it's so small.
Yeah,
The reach is really not that far.
that's true, I guess.
And I got-
And this frame is a lot smaller. God damn it. We'll update you in a second once that shuts off. All right, so did we have these bars on already?
No.
These are the next options.
I think these are it. We're gonna make more skinny.
More skinny it needs for sure.
I fuck with the vision though.
Dude, it's
Sorry,
like
I bleep with the vision.
this is like a visionary cycle right here.
Shut the fuck up. Those guys are cops.
So we're gonna flip it around so I can put the Bates Baja on the rear. It looks good from this angle right here where the camera is.
It looks good.
Like
You
that's
look good.
it's a good cockpit, you know.
We're gonna get demonetized, dude. You gotta relax.
So we're gonna flip it around so I can start working on the rear tire. And Blue's gonna keep doing the handlebar dance. All right. We're pretty much done for the day, right? This is everything that we needed to do today, right? Right? Right?
Left.
Why'd you take this peg off?
Huh?
Why'd you take the peg off?
Because it gets in my way.
Nice, dude.
It does, actually.
So these are the bars that Blue went with. I think we showed you them earlier, but we narrowed them up a little bit and narrowed them up this way a little bit. And so now they're narrow.
We made more skinny.
They were wide and we made more skinny. And then mounted up the Bates Baja. We were a little scared that it wasn't going to fit.
It almost doesn't.
But it fits perfect. And it's pretty close. Yep. But it looks so much better.
It looks a lot better. I'm pretty stoked on how it came out.
No, that's what I just said. It looks so much better.
I'm stoked on how it came out.
But like I was saying earlier that it looks a lot better.
It does look a lot better.
But that's what I'm saying is like it looks a lot better.
No, yeah, right on. It looks a lot better though.
Do you get what I'm saying though?
No. I'm picking up what you're putting down.
So yeah, dude, flip that switch. Let's see this headlight work. Just don't start it. Oh, that ain't gonna light nothing.
It's alright. I couldn't even lie on camera. I was like, it's fine.
Just on that Yosemite trip when I had one of those on there, I couldn't see a thing.
Yeah, they're not real lights. They're for show, not for go.
Yeah, that's true. Well, yeah, there it is. And I made this little
What do you guys think? Should I go crazy?
dingle dangle. What would going crazy entail? Tell us.
Just making up sweeps, basically. Putting a new seat on it, new sissy bar.
I think you should for sure do the up sweeps. Seat and sissy bar are not priority. Because this looks fine. It's fine. That's what I just said.
No, I don't think I'm gonna go. I don't even think I want to really go up sweep. So.
Looks great.
Very aggressive. All right, should we push it out and get some B-roll?
Let's take it outside. Don't even put the ramp on there, dude. Just let it roll back.
Okay.
It's a dirt bike now with the dirt bike tires. It looks so good with these tires on. It's crazy what some tires can do.
That's what Jimmy always says. It's crazy what wheels can do for a car.
Yeah. Oh my god, I was joking.
Oh, that's nice to push around and everything.
It's so much better, I bet.
Oh yeah. 180.
Turning radius, bro.
Fork stops, dude. I'll never let him slow me down.
That don't make no sense. Wow.
It's very small.
Oh yes.
You're so good at that.
Bye bye.
So the next clip that you're gonna see after or before this,
After this is gonna be the new gas tank.
the new gas tank. But I mean, you definitely made it a blue bike.
It's got the formula.
It's got the formula, and it looks great. I mean, it's about time that we use that front tire. You've had that for 2 years.
Literally 2 years.
Yeah, and it's never gone on a bike until now.
I've
And
always wanted to run this bar and riser combo too.
yeah,
I'm pretty stoked on that.
yep.
And I love Sportsters. Turns out.
Turns out, big Sportster guy.
Big old Sportster guy.
I mean, we both are, I guess, you know.
You like ironheads, I like Evos.
I love ironheads. So much so that I should sell mine, but I don't want to. But yeah, thanks for watching. It was good having you in the shop again.
I love being here.
And
Thank you for all your help.
of course, let us know what you guys think of... Say it louder, dude.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And stay tuned for more content.
Yeah, and have a good night.
Oh. Blue. Day 2. This is the last bit of the video.
This is it. We made huge progress, lots of changes.
Massive progress.
Frame up rebuild, dude.
You did change the bars, although they look exactly the same.
They're the same bars,
But different. Non-dimpled. No dimples, dude.
dimple free. I got enough dimples for this bike, alright?
So,
No dimples.
no dimples. And then your new fresh gas tank.
It's a really, really, really good paint job.
The one-day paint job in the cold.
Yeah, I painted it in the wind, in the cold, in the sunset.
It actually came out great.
Orange peel is the new black, you know what I mean?
It's definitely a blue bike, like we said last time. Move out the way, dog.
Oh my god, okay.
I was talking to Mazi. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it looks great.
This is it. This is my bike.
I'm all shaking.
I'm stoked. It came out good.
Are you ready to ride it home in the dark?
It's gonna be dark and cold, and that headlight don't work. So
It
works.
works.
It provides light, but not very much of it.
Not very well. Looks great. Great job.
I gotta. I'm gonna. So it's not so shiny.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna hit it with the
Scotch Brite.
Scotch Brite it, dull it up.
Yep. And we're here. Alan's here. Hey. He just had McDonald's twice in the same day, so he's not feeling great. But
Honestly, happens to the best.
you know, it happens to all of us.
Bang bang hit me pretty hard.
But yeah, here's his bike. I haven't really filmed much because we've been just doing small things. But you'll see in his video all of the things. But this is a little sneak peek in Blue's video.
Sneaky picky.
But we're going to leave now. Thanks for watching.
Have a good
Goodbye.
night.